Local news for Wednesday, the 11th of April. Ruud Kleinplast, also known as the Bugman, will be making another visit to Pukaha Mount Bruce. General Manager Emily Court is excited about Ruud coming, saying his passion for the environment is infectious. It's a rare opportunity for our kids to meet him and be inspired by nature. Mr Kleinplast will also be involved in Pukaha's annual fundraiser as MC and entertainer. If the government was serious about reducing the number of road deaths on New Zealand roads, it would adopt Wairarapa MP Alistair Scott's members' bill to introduce roadside drug testing. The Police Association, Minister Stuart Nash, Ministry of Transport and the New Zealand Transport Association all currently support the bill. And in sport, Dalefield will take to the field this week as they start their 2018 hockey campaign. Both men's and women's teams are at home, playing Toa and Victoria University.